Alright, bike is in the process of being painted. I got it stripped down. Got the handlebars here. I sanded them down the best I can. Might do a little better. Hit the ends a little bit before I put them back on. I've already stripped most of the paint on this. Need to go over it once more maybe. Pedal cranks. They look pretty good. You didn't get no befores of that, but if you had it before, you would see how rusted it was. And here's the frame. Haven't stripped the paint yet. We're going to use aircraft remover, Rust-Oleum, and we're going to glop it on there, whatever you want to call it on there. And we'll come back in a little bit and show you what it looks like. It's been about 5 minutes. This is what it looks like now. It's hard to tell, but it's starting to bubble up. Give it another 5 minutes. It was sprayed off. Okay, here we are. Pressure washed it off. Have to do a second time. Didn't get it all, but as you see, got a lot of it. Did this piece again. Looks better. Still got a little more. Got to sand it a little. But it's looking good. Flip over the other side. Here's what it was. That's what it did look like. I do the other side. Alright, here's what the bike's looking like. Color I chose, it matches the tarp. And then I painted these metallic, chrome colored. Because this bike was all rusted and crappy. Yep, there's the kickstand and whatnot. Had some problems because I didn't hang it. Because I'm a dum-dum. I gotta flip it once more. But it ain't looking bad. I'll keep you posted. Got done painting the other side of it. Let it sit and dry. Hopefully no birds poop on it or shit falls on it. You know, might want to spray this a little more. It had some imperfections for sure. Yep. That's how it goes. That's how you get it done. As, you know, who would say? Rust-Oleum primers. I used two different kinds, didn't mean to, but it worked good. I like the this one better than this one. And then I used metallic finish Rust-Oleum, and then the blueberry. Also bronze plastic. Hopefully it holds. I got clear coat. Can't talk, I'm tired. Yep, that's what's going on. Yep. And in the garage, we got a sweaty old shirt. We got the pressure washer. We got the other pressure washer. We got the crazy clown bike with the weed whacker motor. And that's about it. Stay tuned. Here's what the frame looks like now. The background isn't very pleasant. Dirty clothes. Just ignore the background and see the frame. Okay? Yeah, you know. Yeah, that's painted. It looks pretty good. Pretty good. And, you know, there's some flaws in the paint. Got some problems here and there, but for the most part, it's pretty good. Yep. Now I gotta put a clear coat on it. And then I gotta sand it down, wet sand it, and buff it one final time. And assemble it, and call it good. And then put the motor on it. It's getting there. Well, here it is. Oh, not that stuff. Well, if you want to see that, that's once again the motorized weed whacker bike that I did the crazy paint job on. And the electric bike. But the frame, here it is. Yeah, it doesn't look that good. I screwed up a lot. I should have hung it. I'm a dummy for not. I got lots of problems, you know, like there's one. Yeah, well, there's lots of them. I even painted the chain, and I even painted the inside of there, which I had to get the paint out. And also, inside of there, yeah. And the forks, as you see. I even painted the threads a little bit, but I kind of went light on it. I was smart enough there. And then these, they were chrome colored, but you put clear coat on them. And, you know, they turned into gray. So, I don't know. And they don't look that good either. I had lots of problems with these. Look at that piece. Oh my goodness. What happened? It looks like I put the paint remover on it. Holy moly. Well, whatever. I mean, it's a cheap bike. And the motor. Oh, whoa. The motor. Yeah, the motor. The 80cc motor. Right now I got it in the bin. Whatever. Be fine. Have no fear. Maybe I should make sure nothing gets in it. But yeah, but I have it in this bin. And them bolts, those stupid bolts right there. And they will not come out. I messaged the company. I have tried. I have sprayed PV blaster on them. They will not come out. You have to take those out to put the chain on and do all that. And this clutch arm. Oh, let me get my camera out. This clutch arm. I don't know. Is it supposed to do something? Wouldn't it have spring? Wouldn't it do something? I don't know. Maybe it doesn't. But yeah, that's that. I don't know. I'm getting there. See what happens. I work a lot, so I have limited time. I'll keep you posted. Let you know what happens. Have a good night. Alright, here it is. The beach cruiser. Crap paint job. Didn't come out all that good, but it is what it is. I had a lot of problems. I mean, this bike was old. And yeah, it's still old. But what are you going to do? I mean, I'm going to try to use it. It might fall apart, being a motorcycle, an engine on it. But I'm going to try it. I mean, I'll see what happens. Good issues. You can see the handlebars came out crappy. Lots of problems. Lots of paint defects. Scraped the crap all up on the paint there. Yep. Painted the chain a little bit. Yep. It's not all that good, but it is what it is. The pedal cranks, whoever owned it before, apparently was missing a bolt, because I do not think I lost it. I know I didn't lose it. There's nothing there. This should be something, a lock washer, and a bolt that goes there. So I got to figure out something to do there. Back brake screwed up. Seat post was all on backwards. He said he had someone change the seat post. They put it on all backwards. Dummies. But yeah, we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. Well, here's the motor that's going on the bike. There it is. Ooh, I just banged the tank around. Yep, I was worried about the clutch. I did say I contacted the company earlier in the video. They actually gave me a discount because these screws here were impossible, almost impossible to get out. I even stripped them a little, if you could see. But I did get them out with an impact wrench. And the clutch seems really tight, but I think that's how they're supposed to be. But they gave me a little discount on it. They gave me, what, $40 off? So that's pretty cool. Yep, this is the kit. This is the fuel tank in here. I'm not gonna go digging everything out in there, you know, but this is what you get. Well, they're all in separate boxes when you get them. Nice chain. Yep. So the next part of the build is to put this on it and see what happens. Stay tuned for the next video.